Welcome everyone to our introduction to Python programming. Today we're going to explore this powerful and popular programming language that's perfect for beginners yet sophisticated enough for professional development. Python's simplicity and readability make it an excellent first programming language, while its vast ecosystem of libraries and frameworks make it a valuable tool for real-world applications. These learning objectives will guide our journey into Python programming. By the end of this presentation, you'll have a solid foundation in Python basics and be ready to start writing your own programs. We've carefully selected these objectives to give you both theoretical knowledge and practical skills. Python has become one of the most popular programming languages for several compelling reasons. Its clean syntax makes code easy to read and write, it almost reads like English. The extensive standard library means you have powerful tools right out of the box. The active community ensures you'll always find help and resources. Python's versatility means that once you learn it, you can apply it to almost any type of programming project. Setting up Python is straightforward, but there are a few important details to keep in mind. When downloading from python.org, make sure to get Python 3, we'll be using Python 3.9 or later. The crucial step during installation is checking the Add Python to Path option, which allows you to run Python from any location on your computer. Idle, Python's integrated development environment, comes bundled with the installation and is perfect for beginners. Let's write our first Python program. This simple, hello, world program demonstrates several key concepts, using functions, print, working with strings, text in quotes, and basic syntax. Notice how straightforward and readable Python is, what you see is what you get. This single line shows Python's philosophy of simplicity and clarity. Strings are one of Python's fundamental data types, used for handling text. Python makes working with strings intuitive. You can create them with either single or double quotes, combine them with the plus operator, and manipulate them with built-in methods. The len function gives us the length of a string, and methods like upper and lower help us transform text. These operations form the foundation of text processing in Python. Variables are fundamental to programming. They're like labeled containers that store data. Python makes variables especially easy to work with through dynamic typing, meaning you don't need to declare what type of data a variable will hold. The assignment operator, =, puts a value into a variable. Remember that variable names are case-sensitive, so greeting and greeting would be different variables. Python has several basic data types that form the building blocks of any program. Strings handle text, integers work with whole numbers, floating point numbers handle decimals, and booleans represent true/false values. The none type represents the absence of a value. Understanding these basic types is crucial as they're the foundation of data manipulation in Python. We've covered the essential basics of Python programming today. You've learned why Python is a great choice for beginners and professionals alike, how to set up your development environment, and the fundamental concepts of Python programming. Remember, this is just the beginning. Python offers much more to explore as you continue your programming journey. Practice these concepts by writing your own programs, and don't hesitate to experiment with the code examples we've discussed.